Joined by Eric Gustner. He is a criminal defense attorney, and Troy Slayton, criminal defense attorney and a former prosecutor. Eric, I'll start with you. I mean, what do you think happens from here now? They've had this hearing. What happens?
This case will go forward into a trial phase because this is a type of evidence that every prosecutor dreams of. This is the gold at the end of the rainbow when you have several hours of video which show which fraternity members were there, who hit, who kicked, and most importantly in this case, who did nothing. Because this is not only about who did something, but Melissa, it's about who did nothing, who didn't call police, who didn't render aid, who didn't call the ambulance. Those are the ones who are all going to possibly go to prison.
Yeah. Troy, I'll give you the other side. What would you say in defense of those 18 that are involved in this?
Well, I am a former prosecutor, but now a defense attorney.
Yeah.
I'd have to say that there is a certain point where personal responsibility has to take hold. His blood alcohol level was 4 times the legal limit. So there's no allegation that he was being held down, his mouth was being held open, and alcohol being poured down his throat. So he decided to become intoxicated to such a degree that he was no longer able to care for himself. But we also can't prosecute and shouldn't condemn every single person who happened to be in the house, potentially in their room. Not every single person is responsible for this tragic death.
Well, maybe something, I mean, these hazing rituals have been going on for as long as I can remember. Maybe something will finally change on that front.